First there was the Charles Price, which came out in the storm. Between the raging waves above, we saw her weather torn. They found her floating turtle, or the crew who paid their lives. We never even said goodbye to the good ship Charles Price. So not while I'm the wheelsman will the Hawgood seek deep water. The sirens of Lake Huron wish to taste another crew. Our plates are bent by gouging waves as we face the cruel nor'easter. I'll beach her at Point Edward, and that's all that I will do. Regina joined us in the gale. We saw her plow the seas. I told the captain, it looks like we may have some company. I saw her lights before me, then in an instant she was gone. Her captain proud and sailors brave will never see the morn. So not while I'm the wheelsman will the Hawgood seek deep water. The sirens of Lake Huron wish to taste another crew. Our plates are bent by gouging waves as we face the cruel nor'easter. I'll beach her at Point Edward, and that's all that I will do. Isaac Scott, the last we saw on Sunday afternoon. The winds of fury mounted up, her death was coming soon. Go out to deeper water was the captain's cry. He said, I'll chart the course and we'll brave this storm. But the wheelsman said, not I. No, not while I'm the wheelsman will the Hawgood seek deep water. The sirens of Lake Huron wish to taste another crew. Our plates are bent by gouging waves as we face the cruel nor'easter. I'll beach her at Point Edward, and that's all that I will